Alright YouTube, so today we're doing a Ford Expedition. That's a lot of bugs on it. Wheels need a lot of work, but it's not too bad. It's just a big vehicle. We do this Expedition all the time. We don't put it on a maintenance plan. He just calls me whenever he needs it done. Let's go ahead and check it out. I like the mats in this SUV here because it's like a one piece all the way around. Helps keep the dirt off the carpet. We're gonna go ahead and pull that out. So always remember with the Expeditions, it has two buttons. One is to open up the back completely, and then there's one that actually opens up this window here in the back. This window needs to be open because it exposes the window jambs here. And if you don't clean that out, the customer is going to go on a trip and they're going to want to open that up and they're going to see that you missed it. Do not miss this. The other one's down here. That one opens up. Alright, same thing. You gotta get these mats really clean. WeatherTech all the way around, so that always helps us. Alright, let's check it out in the front. Not too bad. The Tornador will blast all that stuff away, all those debris. Get all these vents clean. Big old sunroof. Y'all know how I be telling y'all that my brother gets down on them wheels, especially that wheelbarrow. I'll show you the after on this wheel. Check out that wheelbarrow back there. So yeah, we're gonna work on this one. It's gonna look really good. And that's actually not white. It's actually platinum white. It's a really nice color. Let's go. I usually use the Tornador on all the edges and the corners, and those crevices are hard to get in there with a vacuum. Just makes vacuuming so much easier. Once you try the Tornador, you realize that a lot of other things don't make sense. And I'll show you, this is why I can't live without the Tornador. Alright, I already started vacuuming. As you can see on this side, perfect. The Ford Expedition is another one of those vehicles that has really nice carpet. As long as you keep up with it, it's very fluffy. Nothing really sticks to it. It just vacuums right up. So yeah, so even if it looks bad like that, it's so easy to get it like this. Alright, for the Ford Expedition, there's going to be a little latch right here on top of the seat. You're going to go ahead and pull that. It's going to make the seat go all the way forward. Now you're able to access the bottom of the seat, so you can go ahead and vacuum that part. You got to work smarter, not harder. Alright, so as you can see, I already vacuumed under the seat. That's how you raise the seats on the Ford Expedition, so you can get under the seats. Sometimes you'll come across little rocks like this when you're vacuuming, and even the tornador can't blow them out. So just be creative. Literally just stick your finger in here like this, and then you could, with a vacuum and your finger, just go all the way across and go ahead and vacuum those little rocks out. Don't make it hard on yourself. See, now all the little rocks are gone. There's some things that you just gotta use your hands for. Alright, so the inside is done. We're gonna go ahead and wash it now. Give it a really good foam bath. Yeah, when you're washing these, you gotta go ahead and make sure you open the door so the running boards come out, because then you're gonna get done and then realize that you didn't clean the running boards, and then you're gonna have to clean them afterwards. So always open the door so the running boards can come out so you can clean them during the wash. Alright, so the Expedition is done. Came out really good. Let's check it out. Super clean and bright. The body's perfectly clean. Remember I told you earlier that my brother gets down on those wheels and I was going to show you the after? Check that out. Look at that inner wheel barrel. Perfect wheels. Yeah, that wash came out really good. Alright, let's check out the inside. Everything is clean, the floor, the seats are conditioned. Looks great. Not sure what that is there on the wood grain. He does work in, I believe, construction or something. So maybe he spilled something on there, discolored the wood grain. But yeah, everything came out perfect. So the thing about detailing is that you really have to try to do your best. I know a lot of people want to make as much money as possible and, you know, try to go as fast as you can, and there's nothing wrong with that. Time is money, right? But you want to make sure that everything's consistent. There should never be a time where something's missing because you were rushing to do it. The customer is paying you their hard-earned money, and they deserve the best. And when you give them your best, they will call you back to do it again and again. This is probably the 10th time we've done this expedition. It always comes out this good, and he keeps calling us back. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, put it down in the comment section. And we'll see you on the next one.